Hello, I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack, coming at you from IBIE 2022 in Las Vegas. Today's top IBIE takeaway comes from Marjorie Hellmer's panel presentation, Turning on a Dime. In this presentation, Marjorie got a baker's take on a study commissioned by Soslan Publishing and conducted by Cypress Research on the state of the baking industry. My biggest takeaway came from Mike Porter of New Horizons Baking Company. We all know that the baking industry has struggled to find and retain workers for several years now. And part of the problem is that working in a bakery is difficult and has tough hours. Well, at New Horizons Baking Company, Mike Porter said they have been trying to offer their employees a more flexible work schedule. Employees can choose between working 3 12s, 4 10s, or 5 8s, or even part-time work to find a schedule that fits best with their lifestyle. One of the points that he hammered home the most, however, had to do with the fact that the baking industry, when addressing this issue, really needs to not be afraid to try new things and not shy away from addressing the challenge.